Airbus demonstrates bird of prey drone interceptor engaging Kamikaze UAV unmanned aerial vehicle in first autonomous flight test. Airbus has completed the first demonstration flight of its uncrewed bird of prey interceptor, successfully engaging a Kamikaze drone in a test conducted in northern Germany. The system autonomously detected, classified and engaged the target using a Mark I air-to-air missile developed with Frankenberg Technologies. The demonstration simulated a realistic operational scenario involving a medium-sized one-way attack drone. After identifying the target, the interceptor carried out an autonomous engagement, marking a milestone in counter-drone capability development. Against the current geopolitical and military backdrop, defending against kamikaze drones is a tactical priority that urgently needs to be tackled, said Mike Schollhorn. With our bird of prey and Frankenberg's affordable Mark I missiles, we are providing armed forces with an effective, cost-efficient interceptor, filling a crucial capability gap in today's asymmetric conflict theaters. The integration of bird of prey into Airbus Air Defense Battle Management Suite (IBMS) acts as a force multiplier, he added. Frankenberg Technologies chief executive Kusti Som said the development represents a shift in air defense approaches. This is a defining step for modern air defense. Together with Airbus, it marks the first integration of a new class of low-cost, mass-manufacturable interceptor missiles onto a drone, creating a new cost curve for air defense and enabling defense against mass aerial threats at a fundamentally different scale, he said. The prototype is based on a modified DT-25 drone and features a wingspan of 2.5 meters and a maximum takeoff weight of 160 kilograms. During the test, it was equipped with 4 missiles, while future operational versions are expected to carry up to 8. The Mark I missiles are designed as lightweight, high subsonic interceptors with a range of up to 1.5 kilometers. Their design allows the reusable platform to engage multiple targets per mission at relatively low cost. Airbus said the system is designed to integrate with NATO's air defense architecture through its integrated battle management system. The company said this would enable the platform to function as part of a layered air and missile defense network. Further test flights, including live warhead demonstrations, are planned throughout 2026. Airbus and Frankenberg Technologies said these trials aim to advance operational readiness and demonstrate the system to potential customers. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @Electronics Technology 50.